in this video, I'm going to show you how you can transform and edit all the icons on your taskbar to a pretty cool ones, which I'm going to show you in this video. So without further ado, let's get started into the video. The tool we are going to use for this customization is called Rainhawk. And Rainhawk is a pretty utility tool which comes with a lot of features. And in this video, I'm going to show you there are 3 new modes they've added which is going to blow your mind. To explore the modes, just head to the Explore tab and we are good to go. The first mode we are going to check it out is called Taskbar Tray System Icon Tweaks. So I'll just search it over here. I'll just click on Details to open it up, and here click on Install. Once this is installed, we have a few bunch of tweaks we can do over here. And to do that, you can just head to your settings tab, and here we have a lot of things we can hide on our taskbar. So the first one we are going to see is hide volume icon, and when I check it and click on save, you are going to see that my volume icon has been hidden, and this is pretty cool. So I'll just keep on and hide the icons that I always wanted to hide on my taskbar and it wasn't available for this feature. So I'll just choose them, which are all here. And the next one you can do is also hide the bell icon, which is after the clock and date. So I'll just click on always to hide it and click on save. And now look at that, all my icons are hidden and it's pretty amazing. So the reason why I love to hide my icons is because when I also tap on Windows Plus, it also reveals my quick settings where I can change everything like always, and this is amazing. And once I've hide all these icons, there's a pretty nice mode I have to also show you, which is called the taskbar volume control. So I'll just delay this one. Now you can see there's a mode called taskbar volume control. So I'll click on details and install this one. And what this tool does is that once it is installed, I can just hover my mouse on my taskbar and scroll with the scroll bar, and you can see my volume is being changed, and this is pretty amazing. So with this, you can just increase or decrease your volume without clicking on any button or moving to any quick setting place. Just scroll up and down on your taskbar to increase the volume. The next mode I'm going to show you is called the Taskbar Clock customization, which is also feature packed with a lot of features, and I really want to show you their new updates, and it's pretty amazing. So I'll just install it, and once it is installed, you are going to see that your taskbar clock and date has been changed to this ugly one. And let's set it up. So I'll just click on the settings tab, and here there are a few bunch of things you can do over here, and it's pretty amazing. So when we look at the first thing, we can change the time format over here, and I always want to go with a simple and beautiful one. With this, we can see some HH, MM, SS, and TT. So what this does is, with the HH is just for the hour, and the MM is for the minute, which is the minute in time, and we have SS for seconds and TT for AM or PM. So what I always want to do is to just show my hour and the minute. So I'll just clear everything here and keep only the HH and the MM. So I'll click on save and see, and look at that, it has showed only the time, which is the hour and the minute, and it's pretty cool. So with this, we can edit a lot of things over here, but there are some few things you can do with it which is going to make it more beautiful. So when we press on our Windows Plus full stop, it's going to open our emoji panel, and here there are some things we can do over here. So I'm just going to add my own favorite emojis, which is going to make this look beautiful, and when I click on save, you can see the emojis is showing over here. So what I want to do is to just put some emojis inside it to make it more fun and beautiful. So I'll put an emoji in front and also emoji at the back and see. So as you can see the emojis are showing on my taskbar, and they are beautiful. And with the date, I'm just going to go here, and on the top line, I'm just going to clear the date from it. So I'll just cut it, which is Control X. And here, come down and put it here. So once it's here, I'm just going to delete this line and click on save. And look at that, I've removed it. So what I'm also going to do to the date is, when I scroll up, I can change how my date look, and Here I'm just going to remove the year because I don't want to see the year, and also I'm going to remove the month, which is also okay for me, and click on save to see what's going on. So this is how it looks, and here I'm also going to add some emojis to make it beautiful. So I'm just going to add these two emojis and click on save, and look at that. This is amazing. So with this, you can customize your Windows taskbar to however you look, and it's going to blow the mind of people. So feel free to do whatever you like over here, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.